you think of fastening systems, you may only think about the fasteners and tools. At Senco, we think about fasteners, tools, and compressors. Senco is proud to introduce 5 brand new compressors to our offering. Senco has always had a lineup of professional quality, reliable, go-to compressors, and these 5 are no exception. From finish and trim to roofing and framing, Senco has the right compressor for your job. Before we get into each of the new compressors, let's review some of the key specifications associated with air compressors and what they mean relative to performance and function. First is the pump type. Compressor pumps are either oil lube or oil free. Oil lube pumps require proper levels of oil and routine maintenance in order to perform properly. Oil free pumps do not require any oil or regular maintenance and can be transported in various orientations without worry of oil spills. A key specification is SCFM. Standard cubic feet per minute, or SCFM, is the measure of airflow a compressor is capable of producing. A good rule of thumb is to get a compressor with SCFM at least 1.5 times the amount the pneumatic tool being used requires to operate. Another important specification is the tank size. The tank is where the compressed air is stored. So the larger the tank size, the more compressed air is in storage to be used to operate the pneumatic tool. In conjunction with the tank size is the maximum pressure specification. Measured in pounds per square inch, or PSI, this is the pressure the air compressor generates inside the tank. Higher maximum PSI also allows for longer operating time without the motor and pump kicking on to refill the tank. Lastly is horsepower. Horsepower refers to the power of the motor. Higher horsepower motors can fill the tank more efficiently, helping to reduce tank recovery time. The bottom line is that you want to make sure the compressor meets or exceeds the requirement of the tool and application. First up is the PC1010N. This is an upgrade to Senco's iconic and proven PC1010 1-gallon finish and trim compressor. We maintain the same great features the PC1010 offers relative to its ultra-quiet performance and lightweight, compact configuration. In addition to the roll cage, we added an integrated control panel and increased the maximum PSI to 135. The roll cage and integrated control panel help protect the critical components. The control panel also provides an improved orientation of the coupler, gauges, and pressure control knob, making this unit very easy to operate. The PC1010N's ultra-quiet and lightweight characteristics make it the perfect unit for any woodworking and finish and trim application. So let's run down some of the key specs on the PC1010N. First, it's electric powered compressor. It has an oil-free pump, which eliminates the need for oil and regular maintenance. It produces 0.7 SCFM at 90 psi with a max pressure of 135 psi. It has a 0.5 running horsepower motor, 1-gallon tank size, and it weighs only 21 pounds. Next is the PC1280. This 6-gallon pancake compressor is designed with the power and speed to handle any finish and trim application. The compact, lightweight, and well-balanced design allows for easy portability. The entire pump and motor are completely shrouded for protection of critical components, as well as providing some storage areas for fasteners or safety glasses, and even a hose. The control panel has highly visible gauges and is equipped with dual couplers, allowing you to run 2 hoses at once. So let's run down the key specs on the PC1280. It's electric powered compressor, the oil-free pump, which eliminates the need for oil and regular maintenance. It produces 2.8 SCFM at 90 psi, has a max pressure of 150 psi, a 1.5 running horsepower motor with a 6-gallon tank, and it weighs only 38 pounds. The next 3 compressors all offer exceptional performance specifications with intuitive functional design features. The PC0968N, the PC0969, and the PC0970 are all 200 maximum PSI units with 4.9 SCFM at 90 PSI. giving you plenty of airflow and tank storage for applications from finish and trim to framing and roofing. These units are designed specifically for the professional user with rugged roll cages and multiple grip points for easy transportation and storage. They are also equipped with a low volt job site start at only 95 volts. Now this is a critical performance specification that will allow these compressors to start on a job site that may only have a temporary electric pull or off of a generator. The long life induction motor and oil-free pump design provide excellent airflow and performance without the need for oil and regular maintenance. The PC0968N is a 4.5 gallon twin stack unit. It has the integrated control panel up front with easy to read gauges, dual couplers for running 2 hoses at once, multiple grip points for easy transporting, and a rugged roll cage to help protect critical components. Next up is the PC0969. This unit is also a 4.5 gallon, but it's a rollaway unit. This incorporates the same performance specifications as the twin stack with a 200 PSI ASME certified tank and 4.9 SCFM at 90 PSI airflow, oriented in a slightly different manner. The PC969 includes a telescoping handle that can be extended when transporting and returned down for storage. It also has integrated wheels in the back that do not actually engage the ground until the unit is tipped back. This helps prevent the unit from walking when the unit is running. Now let's run down the key specs on the PC0968N and PC0969. They're both electric powered air compressors. They have oil-free pumps that produce 4.9 SCFM at 90 PSI. The maximum tank pressure is 200 PSI. They have a 1.75 running horsepower motor and a 4.5 gallon tank size. Rounding out the line is the PC0970. Senco's 15-gallon vertical air compressor is an extremely versatile unit. The multiple grip points and rugged construction allow this unit to be used at both the job site and in garage or shop environments. Its compact design and wheels allow for easy portability and storage. This unit incorporates the same performance specifications as the others with a 200 PSI ASME certified tank and 4.9 SCFM at 90 PSI airflow. The 15-gallon tank provides plenty of air storage for just about any application in the shop or on the job site. The specs on the PC970 are: it is an electric powered air compressor, it has an oil-free pump that produces 4.9 SCFM at 90 PSI, the max pressure on this unit is 200 PSI, it has a 1.75 running horsepower motor, and a 15-gallon tank size. So that's a look at Senco's new additions to the air compressor product line. For more information about air compressors or any of Senco's tools and fasteners, visit www.senco.com.